Hello，大家好，欢迎来到 Mathplorer 数学探险家的频道。今天我们是来分享 equivalence ratios 的课题。首先呢，我们来看一下 equivalence ratios 是 basically the same as equivalent fractions，就是把它simplified 或者是 multiply 把它变成更大的一个ratios. Okay, so if you multiply or divide the terms of the ratios by the same number except zero， 在这边要注意哦 ，you can multiply it or divide by any number but not zero, you will get equivalent ratio. So 其实呢，它就说 equivalent fractions 里面呢，比如说 20/24，我们会 simplify，我们 divide by the same number which is 4。Okay, then you will get 5 and then 6, 5/6. So 这一个呢是叫做 equivalent fractions. So next 我们也可以呢用 1/4，我要变成 20 here. That means I times 5 and I times 5 to the numerator. So which is 5/20. So 这一些呢都是equivalence fractions，就是从一个 fractions 呢，你用 times or divides 呢变成另外一个fractions 出来的。So for ratios, we can use the same method. So let's say I get 20 to 24, 我可以 rewrite as 5 to 6. So how do I rewrite this? Same thing, we divide by 4 and we divide it by 4. So again, 1 to 4, 我们也可以 rewrite as 5 to 20 by multiplying both with 5. Okay, so 这个就是 equivalence ratio 啦，它其实没有特别新鲜的东西，它其实就跟 equivalence fractions 呢 is the same thing. So 我们直接来看 example. For each of the following ratios, find the missing numbers. Okay, so because of 那一个 equivalence ratios 这边呢我们有两个 method 我 A 是一个 method， B 是另外一个 method。So 在 A 呢 method 1的时候呢，当我们看到这个时候，我们知道 4呢是 equivalence to 20。So how 就是好像 1/4 equals to x/20. So how did 4 become 20? By multiplied with 5. So therefore, denominator times 5, numerator also have to times 5. So in this case, 1 times 5, 4 times 5. So we will get 1 times 5, which is 5, and then 这个是 20. So if you make comparisons, 5 is actually x. So therefore, x equals to 5. Okay, 这个是 method 1. Method 2呢，我可以把它 rewrite as a fractions. But here 我们看this is 4/9. And this is 24 equals y. So 其实 9 is equivalent to y, now 4 is equivalent to 24. So from here, okay, 因为我要找的是 y, so 我有一个 concept 呢，就是always put the one that you need on top. So 我要找 y, so 我就把这两个 fractions 呢变成 reciprocal. So that means the other side also have to make it reciprocal. So that means 4/9 become 9/4. 24/y becomes y/24. So from here 我们就好像 form 了一个expressions, okay, equations, algebraic expressions. So 我把 24 这个是 y divided by 24, right? Bring over to the other side, become times 24. Divides becomes times, okay? So therefore I get 54. 然后还有一个所谓的 method 3呢，就是我们看我们用回上面这个方法not method 3 method 1如果 method 1的话，我们用回上面这个方法actually 4 to become 24 I'm multiplied with 6. So numerator times 6, denominator also have to times 6. So therefore 这个是4 times 6 to 9 times 6, which is 24 to 54. So 我们 compare y 就是54了。Okay, so same goes to the up here, right? 如果 A 我们要用 method 2来 solve 的话呢， this is 1/4 equals to x/20. So we're going to bring this 20 all to the other side, which become a times. So 1/4 times 20, and this is 5. Okay, so 两个 method 都可以用，没有说谁比较厉害。So it's up to you which method you want to use to find the missing value in the ratio. 好，That's all for the sharing for today。谢谢大家的时间，也希望你们继续支持这个 Mathplorer 的频道，我们会陆陆续续呢分享更多不同的课题。谢谢大家，拜拜。